Hey, to take screenshot on the Redmi Note 13, we've got actually three methods. The first one, you can use the classic method by pressing the power button and the volume down button together. So take a look, I'm gonna capture my wallpaper. As you can see, you are clicking on the volume down button and the power button at the same time. The second method is also very simple. You have to open the quick settings and click on the screenshot icon. There we go. And the last method, you have to use your three fingers and swipe down. And also your screen is going to flash and the screenshot was taken. There's also the additional method, but it actually will be available in the settings. Now when you scroll down and move into the home screen, you can find system navigation, and when you are with the buttons, you can set the buttons shortcuts. And now, for example, when I set for the long press the back button, you can get this option to take a screenshot. And now when I click and hold it, the screenshot was taken. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.